Hi, I'm Daniele Caruso. I'm an illustrator and I'm a designer. I work for Ruroc and I do a bit of freelance on the side. I've joined in on projects Slipknot and Pink Floyd. Also, I've worked a lot with clothing brands, skate brands and some YouTubers. The key thing to getting exposure and showing your potential clients what you're made of is always exploring and experimenting with your work. Vector graphics allows absolutely everything in illustration, from geometric forms to completely organic ones, as well as resizing any shape and not interfering with its quality. Working with vectors is the best way I've found to achieve a clean but aggressive look that defines my vision. In each project, I'm true to my style, all inspired by predators, Japanese art and flash tattoo art. In this Domestika course, you'll learn how to make vector illustrations that reflect your own approach with Adobe Illustrator. For the final project, we'll develop some illustrations inspired by flash tattoos. We will start by learning some basic tools in Adobe Illustrator. I'll teach you how to create an object, how to copy it, change the color, and change the stroke of it. Then I'll show you some different techniques for creating volumes and the different looks that this can achieve. After gathering references, we'll choose the final ones to help you along with your project. First of all, you'll create a few super fast sketches. You'll pick the one you like the most, and then using a light box, add shading, details, and hatching. You'll then put your sketch into Illustrator and trace over it with the pen tool. After adding color, shading, and lighting, your illustration will be ready for printing and presenting in a professional way. At the end of this course, you'll be able to sketch and create vector illustrations with all the control you could hope for. Previous experience isn't required, but any kind of drawing skills and familiarity with Illustrator are really welcome. To follow my steps, you'll need a light box, tracing paper, and a computer with Adobe Illustrator installed. This course is ideal for anyone who wants to face any design challenge. Work with vectors, create awesome products, unleash your creativity.